are live in 2 different platforms, I guess, and the delay is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 second delay. 5 second delay is not bad, given that I'm streaming to multiple platforms at the same time. Let's go build this thing. So what do we have here? We have an action. Let's oops. I'm going to close this. Cool. What else to minimize? Let's put it there, let's put it here. Side by side, anything else? We need a terminal. We'll keep the structure. New version 1820 is, I think let's put a tweet. Red. Let's write some Kotlin live, but here come say hi. This is enough. Good. And I think I need zoom. Why would I need? Oops. What am I doing? We have something called file, PSI file. We need to learn how to parse. How to parse PSI file in the LoFi. What's the structure look like? PSI file access or structure. Hey Chetan, how's it going, man? It's been a long time. What are you working on these days? Parser and PSI. Implementing parser and PSI. Parse Java. Oh wait. PSI, I'm trying to read a Kotlin file. PSI parsing for Kotlin files. There's a GitHub page. Sharavana Tyagaraj. Do I know you? Should I write plugins to automate most of my work? This way I get more time to work on creative projects. If you want to know more about me, check out my resume. Freshworks, TCS, nice. Plugin. Okay. Let's learn about this PSI parsing. I've written a couple of IntelliJ plugins. I know parsing PSI, but that's for Java. Recently, I was writing a plugin to help me know my office work. This time it involves PSI parsing of Kotlin, was expected to be the same as Java, but oh my, it was different, so I thought of writing one page on it. Cool. Adding Kotlin support for the plugin. The first thing you do would be to add Kotlin plugin dependency. Do I have Kotlin plugin? I think this is the IntelliJ block, right? Is there any other IntelliJ block? No. First I have to enable Kotlin. Let's read the doc first. First thing to do would be, how do I need more space. Sorry for this, but just container left align sidebar. Post. Theme base 08 content container. How do I increase the width of this? Can I just say width equal 100 px and then increase it, or maybe 1000 px? Or then I have to, how about 100%? No, there must be some container on top of it that says, I don't know what I'm doing here, but we are trying to do something about the, it's fine, let's read it this way. Yeah, cool. There's the IntelliJ document explains how to add a plugin dependency, but as of this time, whatever mentioned here does not work. Okay. Hope they update the page soon. You need to add the below to your build and add a component. This is possible because Kotlin is bundled with the IDE. If not, you need to mention the exact version of the Kotlin plugin. Cool. Objective. The goal is to fetch the value. I think I broke the structure. Oh, the background changes for each launch. Interesting. Yeah. The goal is to fetch the value. Okay. Now value can be either be constant dot or simply sample service by making a static import. Okay. In this case it is com dot. Yeah. The process. Let me break down the steps involved to accomplish this. Obtain PSI annotation. Okay, PSI class modifier list or annotations to list of filter annotation. Oh wow. Service annotation. We have to get the service first to get the value. We first get an instance of the PSI class. Do I have the PSI class? First, I think let's add the plugins. Is this Groovy or KTS? I think it's KTS. And plugin dependency. I think I can just add Kotlin here. That should work. Yeah, it should work. Now the process. We first get an instance of the PSI class. Okay, we have the PSI file and start a PSI file and PSI class are the same. Do I have something like PSI class? If we don't have, I think that should be the modifier. I think we're talking about two different classes. Then access the PSI modifier list. I think I'm in a complete different PSI class. No class. No. How do I check? OBS. Sorry. Creator dashboard. Not live. That I know. Where is my stream manager? We have 2 viewers. And yes, we have 2 viewers. chat. I don't know if it's actively working. Is chat working? Checking. Chat check. I don't know if it's working or not, but let's continue. We first get an instance of the PSI class, then access the PSI modifier list, and then in turn get an array of PSI annotations. When is this written? 2018. Oh my god. I think the APIs are changed. I remember one thing. Let's forget that. But basic idea will be the same, I guess. KT value argument. We have to get the annotation first. Then annotation we have to cast to KT light element. Code is straightforward. The key here is the type casting to the KT element. KT light element. What elements we have? KT type, K type parameter. What is KT? Do we have KT value argument? No, we don't have. It's probably because I didn't sync the project. Should sync the project first. Syncing. And once we have the value argument, we need to check the latest when implementing parser and PSI. Okay, parsing was enabled from this two-step process. First, an abstract syntax tree AST is built. Custom language, implementing parser and PSI. This is implementing a parser. How do I access the PSI? What is PSI? Let's learn from here, step by step. The program structure interface, commonly referred to as just PSI, is the layer in the IntelliJ platform and responsible for parsing files and creating the syntactic and semantic code model that powers so many of the platform's features. PSI represents the content as a hierarchy of elements in a particular programming language. PSI view, file view provider, PSI element. Introducing PSI element. Introducing cool. PSI files. A PSI is a root of a structure representing a file content as a hierarchy of elements in a particular programming language. The PSI file class is the common base class for all PSI files, while files in a specific language are usually represented by its subclass. For example, PSI Java file class represents a Java file and the XML file class represents XML file. So there should be one PSI Kotlin file. Oopsie. I think there is an issue with my monitor now. Oopsie. There should be a PSI Kotlin file. What was the format of that thing? PSI Java file, XML file, and the XML file. Okay, is there a Kotlin file? Wait, Kotlin file type is there, but no. How about PSI Kotlin call argument calling my MPL? There is no PSI Kotlin file, but we can do one thing. We'll go to the PSI file interface. Can I get the available interfaces? Paste JSP file. Okay, KT class file. There we go. Something. JSON file. Wow. We can parse JSON with the PSI. Interesting. KT file. There we go. So action is performed. An action. Enable action IntelliJ condition. Enable plugins action only for project with specific type or SDK. There is no way to do this declaratively. You need to implement an action or update method, and in your implementation check for your custom SDK. We need to update this one. I think IntelliJ plugin tutorial. I think this article has that, how to update. Yeah, there we go. Editor cat model. Yeah, we'll only enable this on Kotlin file. Super.t, I don't think we need to call that. Oopsie. The file. Wait. We can do this. Enable visible has selection. File. Can I cast this to a KT file? Wait, is this the class response? PSI parsing. Kotlin PSI parsing IntelliJ. Kotlin parsing. What do we have? We have a new follower. Thank you, Slamming Zone. Thanks for the follow. I think this restream is pretty slow in there. Hey, how is it going? Where you from? I'm from India. This small. Oh, Indian guy, Japanese. No. That was by my cousin. Yeah, this country. Okay. And where are you from? What do you do for a living? Do you have any experience in writing IntelliJ plugins? If yes, please help me here. I'm trying to parse a Kotlin file. France here. That's great. Kotlin PSI parsing. Okay. Now I'm looking for a sample. Let's search for sample. Let's add GitHub as well. Kotlin parsing. This file should have how to parse a what? Kotlin file. Oopsie. How many lines? Oh. How many lines we are looking at? Oops. Let's start. Is this the parsing sample? Kotlin parsing. Kotlin parser. I think this is not a sample. This is the actual parser. Abstract Kotlin parsing. Do I have samples here? Sample. No. Sample. There's a PSI sample I can see. Kotlin psi file parsing sample. Parsing Kotlin code using Kotlin. Okay. Kotlin parser in Kotlin. It's a PSI object. Okay. Which class is I think it's KT file only. KT file Java code samples. Yes. KT file. Yes. And then wait. Register mock breakpoint KT file forward condition equal to true blah 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 blah. So it must be KT file. We can say file, or let's say KT file condition should be KT file not equal to null. Cool. Now the plugin should only work in where? In Kotlin files. Let's try that. Meanwhile, we can look more about parsing Kotlin. Parsing Kotlin or using Kotlin. I think this probably talks about Kotlin poet or PSI file. Oh, it's PSI. We're going to use the PSI format to parse our files. Create KT file. PSI manager. Oh, okay. Interesting. Import list. Wow. Do I have access to import list here? KT file. Import list. Amazing. Functions do I have? No. Methods they call it? No. What else? Import list is compiled package script virtual file path. Oopsie. So here our plugin is not enabled. Oops. That's not expected. Wait. Where is our plugin XML? Editor, pop-up menu. This is the pop-up menu, right? Supposed to appear here. Supposed to appear there, but why it's not appearing here? There is a class not found exception. KT file plugin class loader plugin description Rebugger. Yep, we have one error. Oh yeah, it's the same error. Class not found exception. KT file, I think we have to add the dependency first. It's not just the this one. Caused by. Okay, let's search this. Resolve exception blah blah blah. I'm writing a plugin in Rebugger. The main idea is to get the structure of a Kotlin class as properties, methods, and add the following dependence. The plugin XML we have to say this. Wait, do we have that in our plugin XML? Depends on platform is there. Now, what do we need? We need. I think we have one more new follow. Paxi952. Thanks for the follow. Where are you from? I think we need to define this first. Depends block. I think we have to do that. Let's try add that. com.intelligence. Okay, sorry. It's org.jetbrains.kotlin. There we go. Oh, they have a list of plugins. Yeah, they do have a list of plugins. Now that is added, and as a library to access the Kotlin, I added the following Kotlin compiler, blah 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 blah. We have another follow. It's Mauli Kirani. I hope I pronounced that right. From Spain here, moved to the US 6 months ago, by the way. Wow, great. We have 2 people from Spain. Oh, this is France. Sorry. 6 months ago. Congratulations. So you also work with Kotlin, or what do you do for a living? Everything is compiled with exception that I'm running. Okay, same issue. We have to add this plugin. I think we added that. I think we need to look at. We already added Kotlin. It's plugins. Let's see. We probably have a sample code on how to set this. It's com.intellij.java. I think we have to give the full name here, just like this. Depends, I don't know if we, let's remove this one. Okay, let's go with this. Let's sing this. Working on Android, Kotlin Lover 2. Great. You work on you said you have Android. I was about to ask which platform. Great. Then yeah, Rebugger is fine now. Now we can move this. That happens because IDE loads 2 copies of Kotlin plugin classes, one from the actual Kotlin plugin and another from the Kotlin compiler that you're providing. The correct way to add the plugin dependencies to add the following to a build.creator. Cool. Now we have this, and we have more errors now. Job cancelled, read action. Now let's forget all these errors. Do we have our plugin enabled anywhere? Negative. No, we still have the error. Let's do one thing. Let's add both the dependencies. We'll define the depends block here for Kotlin. Also we will do the, which one? Yeah, this one. Also just for the backup, I'll say this. Cool. Now, is there any easier way to test this? I have to launch an IDE for each run. I think there was a library someone wrote to like improve this debug cycle. That was IntelliJ plugin. Oops. Development. GitHub. Library. There was this. Oh, I forgot the name of that library. Fast IntelliJ plugin, GitHub, Kotlin. Huh? Oops, hold on a second. How do I mute this? there was this plugin. Yeah, there we go. Live plugin. I think I should start this. So this will help you write plugins without restarting the IDE. And the new plugin name, current project live. See, this is unbelievable. And I think it provides something like more like a wrapper over the. Let's install that. Let's see how it works first. What is this name? What is the name of this plugin? It's just plugin. Marketplace. No, live plugin. Live plugin. So this should ideally help us write IntelliJ plugins without restarting the IDE. Minimal setup, fast feedback loop, usable IDE API. This is groovy. Insert a new line, above action. Anxious task. Thanks for the follow. Where are you from? We are just getting everyone's location here. So we have someone from Spain. We have from people from France here. I'm from India, and you're from. Okay, I think install the plugin. Let's restart. Oh, we don't have to restart, I guess. Now there is a plugins icon appeared. Let's try write this. Interesting. But before that, I think you should go through their documentation. Make sure Hello World works fine. Okay. In the plugins tool window, select Hello World plugin. Where is Kotlin examples? Hello World, yes. And Kotlin scripting is now in beta stage. Okay. How do I run this? In the plugins window, Hello World plugin, click Run button to execute the plugin. Where is the Run button? Acha, there we go. Run button. IDE startup, project, plugin disposable. Wow. Yes, correct. Interesting. Can I get show Hello Kotlin World? I think I can rerun this. Where is Hello Kotlin World? Oopsie, there is a pager to take off. Hold on a second. That's a work call. This is happening in data router. No. Okay, I have to go out now. We'll be back after maybe 1 hour, but yeah, see you later. How do I stop this stream? That's what I'm looking. Cool. See you after like some time. Thanks for joining everyone.